Wake up. The recession is here. Just the other week, Facebook laid off 11,000 employees. Tech jobs have been laid off in the tens of thousands. Interest rates for buying a property right now is at its all-time high. Even pharmacies that give you access to healthcare are closing down by the hundreds. The only way you and I can protect ourselves from the crisis that is going to happen is by making money online. We aren't in the 70s anymore. We're in the dawn of the greatest period to ever existed in the whole of mankind. We have smartphones that can call anyone. Hi there, I just need help to get my property done. Can you help me with that? Yeah, sure. YouTube, the golden library that gives you access to any type of education. Instagram, the most modern online platform for CVs today. If you want to find out more information about someone, you check their Instagram. Then you have TikTok, a platform that allows you to learn about anything in a matter of 7 seconds in the shortest format possible. Hold on, let me stop you there for a second. Have you ever thought to yourself, why aren't you making any money online like everyone else is? Well, I can tell you the answer. It's because you were brainwashed from a very young age. If you want to indoctrinate someone, it starts from childhood. It doesn't start at 25 years old. TV actually stands for television. Television means tell a vision, which means tell someone how to think, how to behave. I know this sounds like bro science. However, a lot of you guys have been completely brainwashed. You guys are still associating time with money. You guys are still associating profession with money. The most established thing in the world today is how to make money. People think you need to go to school, get a degree, and get an education, and then get a good job. I'm gonna slowly raise my hand because that is the most out of date way to make money in today's economy. You guys need to wake up. Going to school and getting an education is not the only way to make money. So if you're anything like me, you hated school. School wasn't made to make people rich. It was to get poor middle class people into the working class jobs. If you don't believe me, believe Rockefeller, one of the richest persons to ever existed. Rockefeller, who's one of the biggest funders to education, said, "I am not in the business of making people rich. I want to make more employees." Now that you understand this, I really urge you guys to watch the rest of the video. To make money online, you need to understand the inner mechanisms of money. There is a concept in finance called leverage. Think of leverage as a multiplier. In your multiplier, if you have 1 unit of effort, you get out 1 unit of the desired outcome. And in a normal job, that ratio is 1 to 1. If you work harder and you have 2 units, then you put that into the multiplier, you get 2 units of the desired outcome, which is still the same thing effectively. If you use leverage properly, you'll have a ratio greater than the 1 to 1. It'll be more like 1 to 2, 1 to 50, 1 to 100, 1 to 40, 1 to 20. Here are 3 core principles of leverage you need to understand to be profitable. If you don't understand these concepts now, then you can forget about making money online. You can forget about making money, period. So the first form of leverage is media. This is where you grow a following and use that following to make you more money. So a great example of this is Brian Jung. He's a YouTuber who has 1.45 million subscribers. In his latest video, he said he made 141k a month from affiliate marketing. He could have done affiliate marketing by himself with no audience, with no following, but that would have gave him a 1 to 1 ratio, 1 unit of effort, 1 unit of desired outcome. Instead, he used his audience. And when he put in 1 unit of effort, he got out 20 times the desired outcome. All affiliate marketing is referring someone to a platform that you already use. All he had to do was do the same thing he would have done by himself, but he showed it to his audience as well, using the multiplier. And this was how he was able to make money online. The second form of leverage is money. This is literally, as you can probably guess, it's using your money to make more money. If you had an extra £5,000 and £10,000 and you put that into the S&P 500 and you get 10% a year, you're using your money to grow and make more money. If you give someone some money and say go invest into property and they give you back more money, guess what? You're using your money to make more money. And this subset of leverage usually pertains to people that are making a lot of money, that have high cash flow. For example, landlords or business owners and people generally that are making a very high salary. If you wanted to do this online, you could easily do something like that, like Trading 212, Vanguard.
And by the way, this is the subset banks usually use, is using their money that they have, the millions that they have, the billions that they have, to make them trillions.
And the third subset of leverage is skills, is being good at a particular skill that can exchange for value, and in turn they can give you money. You can get good at sales so much to the point where you're closing the hardest clients and it's landing you a lot of money. Another example is mastering a skill set such as content creation. So believe it or not, being a content creator full-time is a skill in itself. To be able to master the ability to get people's attention is crazy, and obviously should be paid. Being a content creator, you want attention. If you can master that, then people will pay you for it, and it can be done online. I did my research. You can get paid up to £300 to £10,000 per video you make for a company. Other examples are speaking, content, manual labor, and like learning languages. Now, hopefully you guys are paying attention. You can actually make money through starting a business online. Every business, whether you believe it or not, has to have an online presence. Why is that? Well, hold on. You can go and look at 10,000 people alone on your phone. You can have a video that blows up and covers 10,000 people, 100,000 people. When would you ever have the chance to meet 10,000 people in a day as a normal person? That's not possible. For example, if you're a car auction, you can do your business completely online. Look at the BCA. They do their auctions completely online. They can reach more people. They don't have to be at work. And there's so many benefits to staying at home and doing a business online. You don't have to create some new fancy business. All you have to do is get the current business that you have right now and make sure it's suitable for online purposes, so it will last for the next 10-20 years, because the future is definitely digital. If you want a detailed part 2 on how to make money online, put it in the comments and I will respond. Please make sure to like and subscribe for this video, because I really want my videos to get pushed out to more people so we can educate more people on finance. If you are interested in investing and seeing how I make my investments in terms of trading, in terms of investing, then join that group chat. This is going to be a waiting list, so it is going to take some time to create this, but we're definitely going to get started in 2024. With that being said, I am going to end the video. Have a really good week and see you in the next video.